Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see the design principles that we have to keep in our mind when we decide about the navigation. That means how to move around the web pages, different web pages in the website. So there are basic criteria that we have to follow when we decide on the website navigation. So we have to always be very strict to this point, like this principle, that all pages should be in the same place in all other pages. Like the organization should be similar in all pages. I'll explain what it is. For example, you can see here in home I have all teaching and then research. All those things are in similar places. If I go to teaching, even in teaching I'm following the same kind of organization. So if I go to news and gallery, still I am following the same kind of organization. So in all pages, the web page organization should be same. In the same place we have to keep all the pages. Okay, so it's in the same place in all the pages. So these are some principal kind of navigation types that we can pick. So the navigation bar kind and breadcrumb navigation, graphics for navigation, dynamic navigation, and sitemap. I'll give you an example for each design. So navigation bar, let's look at that example. Navigation bar. So you can see the bar thing, like what you see here. This is the navigation bar. So with the simple navigation bar displaying all the content is called navigation bar kind of design. And if you take the dynamic navigation, you will get the navigation when you hover over the place. For example, when I hover over the teaching, I get this courses taught and teaching testimonial. When I hover over the services, it gives this information. So this kind of navigation is called dynamic navigation. Okay, so the third type that we are going to see is sitemap. So index of the web pages and the outline of the page organization will be given. So in my in my website I have given that example as well. For example, you can see in the left side the site navigation. I have given the site navigation where how I have organized for each website. For example, under the teaching I have courses taught and teaching testimonial. Under research I have projects and publication, like that. So how giving some sitemap on how the web pages are organized. So this is called sitemap kind of website organization. And the another type that we are going to see is breadcrumb navigation part. I'll show you some example for that as well. For example, I'm going to select books. Okay, in the books I'm going to select books, children's books. Okay, so inside the children books, okay, let me select this department and then books, and then so you can see this gives you the example for navigation, this graphical navigation, graphics for navigation. So you can look at the example here where you have the images for the navigation. Okay, so this kind of navigation is called graphic navigation. Then let's see some other type of navigation that is called breadcrumb navigation. You can see from books I'm going to select computer and technology, and then from computer and technology I'm going to select kids and teens. Okay, Python crash course. So you can see the navigation books. Under the books, computer and technology. Under computer and technology I'm getting this page. Okay, so this kind of providing the navigation, the path that we have crossed to reach this page, providing that path is called breadcrumb navigation. That means under the books, under the computer and technology, this web page is organized. So this kind of navigation is called breadcrumb navigation. So you can see, you can take any website. Most of the websites, the online shopping websites, follow this breadcrumb navigation, where you can see this image, news, under the help, under the help, get started, under get started, how Google News works. So this kind of breadcrumb navigation will be provided in most popular commercial websites. Okay, so great. So next we are going to speak about design principles on page layout. See you in the next video.